So the 3-minute game in edging. Most people know the 3-minute game from that place of I do what I want, you do what you want, I do what you want, and you do what I want within our limits. Yeah. So when you put that into edging and you are sexually with your partner, and I'm not meaning you're just playing around, I mean you are sexual with your partner, meaning you have the intention to edge together. And if you combine that with the person you want to dive really deep with, and you do this edging practice for 1 hour, just take this time of 1 hour, 3 minutes each, 4 times, and you have debriefing in between. But for 3 minutes, may I edge myself on you and feel what I want to feel within your limits. And then for 3 minutes, you edge yourself on me and feel what you want to feel within my limits. And then for 3 minutes, I want you to touch me and edge me the way how I want that within your limits. And then for 3 minutes, I do and touch you the way how you want to feel it when you edge within my limits. And every time in between, when you do that for 3 minutes, when you take the timer, you debrief your experience and you learn so much about yourself and your partner that you can't learn in any other way, because then when you make love, you have this neurological patterns embodied. You know yourself and you know your partner, and that gives so much confidence and stamina for yourself and your partner. I hope that makes sense. So the 3-minute game in edging is profound. And of course you can do the 5-minute version or the 10-minute version or the 15 or the 30 or the 1 hour version. So for 1 hour I do what I want within your limits, I edge myself, and then for 1 hour you edge yourself, and you get the point, right? Okay, so edging and the 3-minute game, this is why I play the 3-minute game. I just want to know who I'm engaging with, and I want to know how they tick, because I just really want to be capable of playing on the edge. And the 3-minute game is a great preparation in doing so. Have fun, enjoy, love yourself. If you don't know how to play the 3-minute game in the first place, it's in the book, it's everywhere else where I explain it. And I have online courses how to play the 3-minute game. But I don't have an online course on the 3-minute game and edging. That's probably the next one. All right. Enjoy yourself, love yourself. See you in the next one. Edging is a very individual process and depends on so many different facts, depending on where you are as an individual. So I've been coaching individuals, couples, and professionals in this domain for over 2 decades. And if you would like to have any support, feel totally free to use the link in the video description and book a free discovery call to find out how I can support you best. Looking forward to talking with you. See you there.